Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man. I'm coming to another video. Today's another taste test, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay notified when I upload. Check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game Let's Plays. I have a new playlist on this channel that features the best of both channels, the gaming and the main channel, so feel free to check that out if you want. Also, feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man's Den on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, and Discord. Links, as always, will be in the description below. So today we are trying the new limited edition maple flavored Lindor Truffles. Now, I can't wait to check these out. Maple flavored things are kind of a staple up here in Vermont, and Lindor has some of the best chocolate out there, so hopefully it's good. Bag smells good. Probably will taste good too. Each truffle is obviously individually wrapped, as always. Normal Lindor truffle design to it. Heh, that's cool. It's a Death Star. How did I never notice that before? Like, just draw a little, like, honestly, if this little seam here was a little deeper and around the other way, it would look even more like one. But we're here for the taste test, so let's see how this is. Damn, that is good. They taste a lot like maple pancake syrup. You know, with the richness of the milk chocolate. Let's see if I can show off what the interior looks like. Very good. And they go down incredibly smooth, just like, you know, any other Lindor truffle does. I highly recommend those. Whether you're just love maple flavored things, if you're a connoisseur of, you know, taste the fall items, or if you just want to taste that bit of Vermont, run. Don't walk to get these, because once the fall's over and they disappear from shelves, who knows if they'll be back. I give those a 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. I think the rest of this bag's going to disappear before the day's done. But that's the mark of something really good when you don't think it's going to last a day. Till next time, though, this has been DMC Jedi Man, and I'm signing off. Peace, everybody.